Okay, I'm going to show you the deep sumo squat stretch for the groin and inner thighs. So what you're going to need to do is you're just going to take a wide stance. Make sure that when you're taking that wide stance that your toes don't need to point forward. That can cause, for some people, a little bit of discomfort into the deep front of the hip. So just have a little bit of a slight angling out of the toes. How far the angle is to your own comfort level. I just recommend that they don't point directly forward. And so from this position, what you're going to do is you're just going to sit back, and don't be afraid to adjust yourself as you're going down so that you can find a comfortable way to sit all the way down. The goal is that you can use your elbows to push out the knees to help open up the groin. And then once you're in this position, you're just going to hang out for about 30 seconds to a minute. Now, if you're having trouble getting into that deep position, even if you're adjusting yourself and trying to find a comfortable position, is that you can take some yoga blocks or even a stool or something, especially if you're not able to go as low as me. And you can adjust how deep you can go, but also give yourself a little bit of support into this deep kind of sumo squat position. How much and how high, as far as the support goes, is really up to you. You don't want it to feel like you're just sitting in a regular chair. You want it to be able to get deep so that you can kind of stretch into it. With repeated repetitions and frequency of doing that, you may be able to bring yourself from maybe here to going down a little bit deeper into that seated position, which is going to be the goal. But just don't be frustrated if you can't achieve that right away. So that's going to be kind of our deep sumo squat for the pelvic floor.